Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make bread pudding. Boil 2 liters of milk. Add 250 grams of sugar. Half teaspoon of saffron. Add 1 tablespoon of custard powder in 50 ml of milk and mix well. Add into the milk and stir and let it boil. Once boiled, keep aside and let it cool. 150 grams of sugar. Stir continuously until the sugar melts. Pour in a 9 by 13 dish. Keep some aside for decoration. Cut 8 slices of bread as shown. Spread butter on one side. Beat 8 eggs until light and fluffy. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and a pinch of yellow food color. Add the milk mixture and continue beating. Pour the mixture into the dish. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, place the bread slices with the buttered side on top. Bake for 30 minutes. Refrigerate for 5 to 6 hours before serving. Once cool, run a knife along the edges. You can drizzle a bit of the caramel before serving. It's a really good recipe. Do try it out. Thanks for watching.